going to take a look at system of linear inequalities. So solving a system of linear inequalities is very, very simple to do. It's putting what we've already done, but doing two questions at the same time, which is relatively easy. All right, so sketch the first equation. Open or closed. Open is going to be less than or greater than with no equal sign, dotted line. Closed is going to be with the equal sign underneath. That's going to be a solid line. So that's open, and that one is solid. So this one is dotted. So this one is a dotted line, and this one is a solid line. All right, so sketch the first equation. The first equation is y is less than -1. That's easy. You go to y, you go to -1, -1, put a dot there, and then is it a vertical or horizontal line? It's a horizontal line because y always needs to be -1. So you can have x3 and y has to be -1. Okay, so it's a horizontal line, and because it is a dotted line, you are going to join those 2 points, but as a dotted line. This is a listening check. Color in number 1, sketch first equation. Okay. All right. Color shade. Remember, if you hit the small part first, it's small is left or down, depending if it's y, and then big is up or right, depending if it's x or y. So this is y, so I'm going to hit what first? I'm going to hit the small part, so it needs to be smaller than -1. So remember, small is left, or I guess I can write it here, down, and big is top or right. All right, so that's going to be small. Small is down. Okay, so less than. So what you're going to do is you're going to shade down, less than. So y is small. Small is over here. Big is over here. Okay, so small, you shade there. Okay, you take a different color pencil, and now you do the other line. X is -3. So you're going to go to where x is -3. X is -3. 1, 2, 3. Put a dot there. Is it a vertical or horizontal line? Remember, x always has to be -3, so it doesn't matter what y is. Y can be 2, but x has to be -3. So it's going to be a vertical line, and it's solid, so that means a line like that. Take a different color. Now, is it big or small? So color, remember, small, big. So this is big, and this is x. So go to the x-axis, big. X-axis, big. That means you're shading x-axis big over there. So everything that side. So different color. This is a listening check. Underline the title, System of Linear Inequalities. So you've done the second equation. Color shade, different color. Intersection of colors is your solution. So where is my solution? Okay, so my solution is right here. Where I see both colors, this is my solution. So bottom right is my solution. Okay. Next example, sketch the first equation. Open or closed. This one is open, and that one is also open. So I'm just going to go ahead and write it. Dotted. So this one is dotted, and this one's also dotted. So dotted line. Okay. Sketch it. Remember that you start at the y-intercept, which is -8. So start at -8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then you're going to go rise over run. So I need an invisible one there. I'm gonna rise 2, run 1. Rise 2, 1, 2, run 1. Right there. Dotted line. This is a listening check. Under the steps on what to do, circle number 4. Okay, dotted line. Alright, so after I've done the first one, color shade, remember, small or big. So which one is this? This one is big, right? So big, you go to y, because it's y, big. So y is that big is up here, small is up here, so big is up here. So everything to the left of that. Right, make sure that's shaded into the line. Right, then you go sketch your second equation. Open or close, I already did that, so just sketch that. So y equals, start at the y-intercept, which is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to go down 5, so put an invisible 1 to make it a fraction, rise and run. You're going to rise down 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then you're going to run 1. Okay, dotted line as well.
This is a listening check. Color the word dotted. Color the word dotted.
Okay, and now color shade a different color. So if you don't have colors, you can use a pencil and then a pen. So I'm going to color shade with a different color. I hit what? Is it small or big? It's small. So it's Y, small. So here's the Y-axis. Small is where at the bottom here. So you make sure you shade the bottom of that with this line. So everything to this side of the line. Okay, your solution is the intersection of colors. Where do you see both? See, right here, I see green and pink. All the way here, all the way here. So all of this, green and pink, right there. That's my solution. So the questions they will ask you is, so for example, I'll do it right here, is the coordinate -2, 1 a solution? So what you're going to do is you're going to go look at for -2, 1. So -2, 1, 2, and 1. If it's in your solution, it is. So if this one, yes, it's a solution. So you just look at where the shades of both are and you look for that coordinate. If it's in there, it's a solution. If it's not a solution.
We'll finish the last examples in the next video.